So in the midst of coronavirus, T decided she gonna make her own what? Hand sanitizer?
Hand sanitizer.
Alright, we're gonna see how this go.
Alright, so the first thing you need.
What are the materials? Talk
alcohol, of course.
To my, of course, I didn't know that was in there.
Aloe vera gel.
Hold up. Alright.
And I already had this on hand, so essential oil. Most people don't got this on, just on hand. But I use it for my candles.
What is the essential oil for? Just to make it smell good?
We're gonna use this.
Okay.
Now, 2/3 of alcohol. Oh, I got a measuring cup too.
Okay. Alright.
2/3 alcohol. This is 1/3, so I'm gonna take 2 of these to equals 2/3. Alright.
Dog, threw it in there, didn't you?
Yep. Now 1/3 of aloe vera gel.
Is that safe to put on our skin?
Yes.
Okay, I've been putting that on Jack.
That's what I got it for.
Oh, okay.
See, it's come out kind of hard, so you gotta squeeze. It's gonna take forever.
You need how much you need?
1/3.
Oh, so you need that whole thing?
Yeah.
You want to squeeze it?
Mommy.
No, you got it.
Daddy.
Jackson? Alright, now you putting the aloe vera in there. You already got what in there? Alcohol?
Mm-hmm.
Right now she's just picking a scent of how it's gonna smell.
You need 10 drops. Well.
You put 100 in there.
Came out faster than I thought. And let's see if this works. It's watery.
Mommy, Daddy.
Come test that this Okay. Hold it still. Okay.
Alright, y'all. Let's see.
So it feel right?
Yeah.
Alright, and that's all we needed.
Oh no, look. And my hand's real soft. Feel my hand.
Greasing they oughta.
It's a gel.
Yeah. So that's all we need.
Hey, we good.
Aloe vera gel, alcohol, and some scent if you want it to smell cute.
You may need to shake it up from time to time.
The final step right here, put it in a normal little bottle. This is gonna be the real test. Is it gonna come out that pump? It was foam that came out before, so I don't know if that's a different kind of pump mechanism or what, but we about to find out.
The other one was hand soap.
Oh, so the rest of that is soap. And there we go. That's how you make hand sanitizer at the house.
And it's smoother than a baby's bottom. Y'all like my nails?